Hey everyone, this is Jennifer, and I shared with you maybe a week ago, I think, that these new PlannerKate albums came out, and you can watch the video describing all those, but I had some questions about how I was using this and what it looks like to store the kits in here. So if you watched the previous video, you know that she offers a 1-inch binder and a 1/2-inch binder. And what I did was I ordered 12 of these 1/2-inch binders, one for each month of the year. So my first one here would be July because that's the current month, and I just wanted to flip through here and show you how all of my kit stickers, because I do usually use one kit per week, how they fit in the 1/2-inch binder. So the first thing that I've been doing is putting my monthly kit in here. So this is July's and it's already been used, but you can see for September, I haven't put this down in my planner yet. I do have my month view, my monthly kit, I should say, in here first, okay? And then I do usually this hourly sheet I like to buy for my month view because it has some stickers that I like to use in addition to the stickers that come on the monthly kit. And then this jumps into my first weekly kit here. So I try to put them in this order every time. I have I'm gonna take it out so you can see. I have the sampler first with any of the add-ons that I get. And then on the reverse side, I usually put my ombre checklists on the back, but this time I have washi. And I usually buy all 4 sheets, A, B, C, and D of my weekly kits and some add-ons. Okay, so this is still the same kit. Sheet B, sheet D, and sheet A is the full box. And then these are all of my daily duo sheets for that week. So sheet DD2 fits in the sleeve just fine, and then sheet DD3 fits, and so do all these little sheet 4A, 4B, and 4C. Those all fit. The date headers for the Daily Duo, there's usually a PlannerKate logo up here. I cut that off, and then I cut the strips away from the dates so that it will fit in here, and all of my Daily Duo sheets go in one sleeve. So I don't separate those out because that would take up too many sheets. And then this starts the next week's kit. So I have my sampler with my add-ons, full boxes, and Daily Duo. I must not have, oh, I missed one. Sampler, ombre, washi, full boxes, Daily Duo. And then next week's kit. So I have, again, samplers with my add-ons, ombre, washi, and full box for that kit. And then my Daily Duo. And then we have lateral gig week. And I did order this colorway 10 sheet to go with it. And then I didn't have the weekly kit for the watermelon kit or for this beach kit. So I just stuck all of those Daily Duo sheets in here. And then I do subscribe to the Erin Condren sticker subscription, and I put July stickers in here so I would remember to use them. And all of that, and I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sleeves left. So that is in the 1/2-inch binder, and those are what work for me. If you buy more stickers than that for the month, or if you wanted to separate out all of your add-ons into their own sleeves, I would recommend buying the 1-inch binder that has 40 sheets, which would hold 80 sheets of stickers. This one has 20 sheets, so it holds 40 sheets of stickers. But I had questions about that, so I wanted to get back to you, but that is exactly how I am storing my kits for the month. So I have July, August, and September ready to roll, and as soon as I get October in, they will go in their own binder as well. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I would be happy to get back to you.